From farm to Pringles can plummets in 45 minutes.
Washed, sliced, and then fried to a perfect crisp. We stack them high before sealing in the freshness.
Keep coming straight back. Easy now, slow down. And stop, you're good. Welcome to VT process. As you can see, these potatoes are fresh. We ensure only the highest quality before they enter the processing line.
Listen to the water jets, ensuring the potatoes are perfectly clean, removing the very last traces of soil.
These potatoes look excellent. Keep the line moving steadily toward the peeling station.
The friction from these rollers gently removes the skin, leaving the potato perfectly smooth for the next stage of processing.
The steam process makes the skin just fall away like this. It's perfectly cooked and ready for the next step.
The steam rushes in, creating a loud roar as the potatoes spin. Now the vacuum engages, pulling the moisture away. The steam rushes in, creating a loud roar as the potatoes spin. Now the vacuum engages, pulling the moisture away.
This cross-section highlights the turbulence. We verified that the flow rate maintains the integrity of the potatoes as they move toward the sorting area.
This flume system ensures the potatoes are clean and moved efficiently to the next stage, the slicing area.
We slice all of our potatoes to exactly 2 millimeters. It ensures the texture and cooking time are always perfect. We slice all of our potatoes to exactly 2 millimeters. It ensures the texture and cooking time are always perfect.
So precise. Now entering the mashing stage. The dewatering process is running smoothly now. We're getting perfect moisture levels for the next stage. The slices are entering the hot water bath now. This process cooks the outer starch.
Underwater, the potatoes release tiny streams of air. Listen closely to the fizzing.
The potato slices are moving smoothly now, kept in place by the hold-down belt.
The slices are entering the hot water bath now. This process cooks the outer starch.
The slices must be perfectly uniform for the vacuum sealing process.
Listen closely to the crisp sound of the high-velocity airstream reclaiming the golden oil, returning it to the churning bath.
So hot, it's finally ready. Feel the heat.
Listen to that sizzle. Perfectly crispy, salty potato chips. So good.
After 6 seconds, the chips are becoming golden yellow and rigid.
Now we add the seasoning. A beautiful blend of paprika and chili, slowly coating every single crisp.
The rotating drum ensures every chip receives a perfect 360-degree oil coverage.
Here in the spray booth, we use an atomized mist of sunflower oil to evenly coat the chips as they tumble along the conveyor.
Listen to that crunch. So satisfying.
The high-frequency vibration ensures every last drop of excess oil is removed, creating that perfect, satisfying crunch.
The ovals travel along the mesh belt, soon ready for the frying station. We monitor the flow closely.
Welcome to the curing tunnel. The chips travel through here with warm air, ensuring the seasoning is perfectly set before packaging.
A perfect blend of salt, sugar, and maltodextrin, cascading softly.
Right here, the Pringles ovals receive a perfect coating of fine rice starch on both sides. It's a precise process, ensuring that great texture you love.
Look at all that powder. So much flavor in every single bite. Listen to that crunch. Excellent quality, excellent quality.
Look closely at the hyperbolic paraboloid shape and the crisp VT stamp on the fabric.
Next, we gently apply the sample to the saburo-dextrose agar to test for microbial growth. At this ultra-high magnification, the intricate topography of the crispy structure is revealed. We can clearly see.
We use the texture analyzer to measure the precise force required to fracture the chip. This ensures optimal crispness for the consumer.
The crunch is incredibly sharp, very satisfying texture.
Yes, but I'm facing a slight inconsistency in the seasoning distribution.
I noticed that too.
Strong paprika notes here, though.
The batch is approved. We are clear for release.
Look at how crispy this is. Let's break it.
Look at the golden chips as they slide down the chutes. So satisfying.
Curved chip orientation sensor, rejecting upside-down chips.
The vibratory system guides each chip into perfect alignment before the suction arm gently places them onto the stack.
As you can see, the alignment is perfect. We ensure every single crisp meets our high standards before it moves down the line.
We are now inspecting the foil seal for perfect integrity. The camera sweeps the edge, detecting any microscopic breaches.
Listen closely as the printer applies the fresh ink. The date code is generated, followed by the crisp lines of the barcode.
Look at this perfect seal. So satisfying. Now listen to the tap.
All units proceed to Station 4 for packing. Ensure alignment is maintained.
The six-pack enters the heat tunnel, causing the thin film to tightly contract around the cans, ensuring a perfect seal.
We're loading the next batch of VTG orders onto the conveyor now. They should be out by noon.
Pringles, original flavor, confirmed. Tap, tap, scan complete. Placing it gently on the cart.
Pallet confirmed. Location updated.
Clear on the left. Okay, lowering it down now. Looks secure.
And that is securely locked. The trailer is ready to go.
Yeah, disc I am backed into door 12. Waiting for the green light to drop the trailer.
Another successful VT delivery stop. We are at the grocery store now, so let's carefully unload your items.
Continue on I-5 North. In a quarter mile, take exit 25. Arriving at Distribution Center A.
We have an anomaly on line 4. Check the telemetry.
Acknowledged. Running diagnostics now. The spike is stabilizing.
I finally found the original flavor. I love Pringles. They are my favorite snack.
Hi there, did you find everything all right? That will be $4.50.
Okay, that one went through. Your total is $12.50. Do you guys want more Pringles?
Yes, please.
And now the seal comes off. Hear that sound. The aroma of freshly opened chips.
Taking the first chip now. Look how curved and intact it is. Absolutely perfect.
A perfect golden crisp. Listen to the texture.
Listen closely to this sound, a perfect pop, and the crinkle of the seal, very satisfying.
And that is the end of the journey.
Once you pop, that's when the fun starts.
Welcome to VT Process, enabling the future today.
Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.